We're very happy that we were able to bounce back after a dismal performance against CSB. So, yun nga, ito first win namin against CSB ever since sumali yung EAC. So, it's a very good win kasi we needed this win kung hindi mababaon kami sa standings. So, just fortunate and thank you sa nanalo kami.
Coach, ano po yung mga ginawa niyong key factors para hindi bigyan ng San Beda ng kahit anong klaseng momentum kasi evident po sa kanilang hindi sila makabuelo kumbaga.
Actually, going to this game, yesterday we had around 4.5 hours of practice, viewing and then running their sets. So talagang pinag-aralan namin kung how to play defense against San Beda. Swinging mga key players, babatayan. And yun nga, buti nagbunga naman.
Coach, in those 2 games yung talo niya sa Mapua and then EAC shot only 9 triples and today you shot 13. Ano ba yung nabago sa overall play niyo? Especially on the outside shooting?
Outside shooting, there are days na swerte. So we're just fortunate this day na we're hitting our shots from the long range. That's why we're able to get a big lead na sustain namin all throughout the game.
Coach, ayun nga po, siguro tanong ko lang rin po, paano nyo sustain yung lead ninyo sa match? Kasi napansin na rin namin, kahit nung last 2 minutes talagang umahabol yung San Beda, nagtatry pa rin makashoot ng long bumps.
Yung halftime kasi, yung halftime pa lang, I told the boys that San Beda is gonna come out aggressive on the second half. So, ang binili ko sa kanila is to double the effort in order to finish the game and win.
Coach, si Brian Sonia was coming off a career high nung last game nila, pero you limited him to just 3 points today. May conscious effort ba to stop him?
It's more of limiting his touches. He just took 2 shots yata, 0 out of 2 with 90 minutes of playing time. So talagang siya yung key players actually. Baka mapaniginipan naman ng player ko si Sahon. Kasi I keep emphasizing their sets na doon may babagsak.
Coach, yun yung breakthrough yun against San Beda. Pero hoping po ba kayo na mag-translate to in the coming games na mas marami pang panalo para sa inyo?
Hopefully this game is will break us right on track going to our next games. Kasi even though we ended the skid of losing against San Beda, walang kwenta yan if we're not gonna make it the Final Four. So the only thing na record that we are concerned about is for EAC of making it to the Final Four.